to our project presentation on Delight API, a smart cake ordering platform that makes ordering cakes quick, easy, and personalized. When you first open the app, you'll see the intro page, which highlights features like custom designs, live tracking, smart cart, and reviews. From here, users can either register or log in. Let's log in with our demo credentials. After login, you arrive at the home page. Here, the backend shows the famous cakes from all different stores, and users can check cake details, see nearby stores on the map, select the quantity, and add them to the cart. The backend updates the cart in real time, so items can be added, edited, or removed easily before placing an order. And the next part will be continued by our teammate.
This is a stores page which displays all the stores that are present using stores API in the backend. So coming to the page, in the top we can see the search stores search bar in which we can enter any store's name and search it. This way we can search any store name. And beside that we have some filters to filter our stores based on ratings or reviews. Let's set some ratings and reviews here. This way it would be easier for the user to select the stores. And beside that is the near me button which will be used to select the stores that are near to the user. And coming to the stores, there is a view catalog button under each store respectively. And when we click on that button, it will display all the cakes that are present in the stores. And for each cake, we have given two options like selecting the size of the cake that the user wants. And the next one is the quantity, like the number of cakes that the user wanted. And then the user can directly add the cakes with the requirements to the cart and then proceed. Next, my teammate will continue.
Yeah, welcome to the cake space of our application. Here we have designed a clean, visually appealing gallery where every cake is displayed with its image and a single view store button. This minimal view keeps the browsing experience simple and clutter-free. Now, the real power comes when a user clicks View Stores. Instantly, they are shown all the stores offering that cake, complete with ratings, customization options, detailed descriptions, and a direct Add to Cart button. This means customers can compare stores side by side, choose their best option, and purchase in a just few clicks. On the back end, our APIs make this possible by dynamically fetching cake listings, handling store availability, and processing cake actions in real time. The resulting experience that not only fast and accurate but also customer friendly and scalable, ensuring convenience for buyers and visibility for stores. And now my teammate will walk through the next phase of our project.
Now let's move on to the cart page. Here customer can see all the cakes they have added, update quantities or remove any items they have changed their mind about. But it's not just about the cakes. They can also review and update their delivery address right here, making sure the order goes exactly where it should be. By the backend, every action, whether it's adding a cake, removing one, or editing the address, is instantly sent to our backend through the cart and address APIs. Django REST and PostgreSQL handle the updates in real time, while Streamlit reflects the changes immediately on screen. So by the time the customer proceed to checkout, the system already has the correct order details and the right delivery address, ensuring no confusion, no errors, and no delays. Now my teammate will continue.
Coming to the customization page, think of this as the place where customer can turn their cake ideas into reality. Instead of just picking something from the menu, they get to have some fun. First selecting the store, then choosing the cake flavor, and then size, deciding on the frosting style and filling, and even adding special touches like edible toppers or a personalized message. They can also select dietary options like gluten free or vegan, so the cake fits their need perfectly. Everything happens right here on a single page, so there is no endless back and forth clicking. In the back end, each choice is instantly sent to our customization API, which stores the details in our PostgreSQL database. That way, when they hit add to cart, the bakery already has the full design saved and ready for checkout. It's not just buying a cake, it's creating something that feels personal, something that dates from the very first click. Now, my team will continue.
Here in dashboard, you can see the analytics of the user, the total orders, amount spent, the favorite cake, and the loyalty points. You can see the cake preferences based on the previous orders, the monthly spend trend. And you can also see some quick insights about the when the last cake was ordered, etc. You can see the active orders, the past orders, and all orders. You can cancel and reorder the cakes which have not yet been prepared yet or out for delivery. Now for map, here you can see the real life uh, movement of the agent from the store to the user's address because of the WebSockets AI. We get the two-way connection from the backend APIs and the front-end UI, and we get the connection in real time. Now my teammate will continue.
Next is our help and support page. In this page, we've integrated a chatbot with some predefined questions. And when the user or customer enter a word or the question that is related to those predefined questions, the chatbot will automatically give them the answer. Here, for example, we've entered cancel my order and the chatbot has given an answer. If not, the customer can directly select the predefined questions FAQs that are present below and get their answers directly. Yes. Even after using this chatbot and FAQs, if the customer didn't clear his or her queries, he can directly contact us using the email address and the phone number provided beside. For example, they can send us a message or email this way. Next, my teammate will continue with the next page.
Here in the profile page, we can see the different user details such as the phone number, the gender, the first name and the last name. Their email address is constant and we cannot change it. We can change the other details and we can save a profile. We can also change the password. We also have options for logout and deleting the account. We have our saved delivery addresses below and we can also add new delivery addresses. Now my teammate will continue with the next page.
In the track page, you can select the order you want to track. For example, the order 15 is still not yet prepared and we can still cancel the order. We can track it again on the map and then reorder. For example, for order 14, if we select order 14 which is already been delivered, you can leave a review and submit the rating of also. You can again reorder it. Now my teammate will continue.
In the search page, we have two different options. The first is search by cakes. Here we can search a cake by its name and then we'll get the cake displayed below. For example, when we search chocolate, we got two cakes, that is classic chocolate and chocolate truffle. The next option is search by stores. Here, when we click on, we can also view the store. We can also view the stores in which that cake is particularly present. If we click the view catalog, we can see what all the different cakes are present in that particular store. We can also customize the weight and we can also add quantities and add it to cart as well. Here, when we click on search by stores, we can search a store by its name. We can set a minimum rating, the maximum distance, the area filter, and the minimum number of reviews we want the store to have. Then it will display the appropriate stores. In conclusion, the DelightAPI project is a complete and robust solution for modern cake delivery platform. We started by showing how a customer can easily and securely register and log in. From a customer's perspective, we have created a seamless experience. We can browse stores, customize our cake, manage our cart, and track our order with confidence, all through a clean and intuitive interface. From a technical perspective, we have built a scalable and a secure backend using Django and DRF. We have implemented advanced features like nested serializers for our registration, distance-based store filtering, and real-time tracking system using WebSockets. This project is a testament to the power of a well-designed API and a modern frontend. Thank you.